Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use LinkedIn for professional SEO, full guide step by step clearly. Create a strong LinkedIn profile that highlights your expertise in SEO. Choose a professional profile picture that reflects your industry. Write a compelling headline that emphasizes your SEO skills. Craft a summary that includes relevant keywords related to SEO. Detail your work experience, focusing on SEO-related roles and accomplishments. Incorporate quantifiable achievements to showcase your impact in previous positions. Add relevant skills to your profile, such as keyword research, link building, and analytics. Request endorsements from colleagues to reinforce your expertise in these skills. Join LinkedIn groups related to SEO and digital marketing to expand your network. Engage with posts in these groups by sharing insights and asking questions. Share valuable content on your feed that addresses current trends in SEO. Create and post original articles about SEO topics to establish your authority. Use relevant hashtags in your posts to increase visibility and reach. Connect with other professionals in your field, including SEO specialists and thought leaders. Personalize your connection requests to foster meaningful relationships. Follow influential SEO figures and companies to stay updated on industry trends. Participate in discussions by commenting on posts from your network. Offer to provide insights or feedback on SEO content shared within your network. Attend LinkedIn webinars and events focused on SEO to enhance your knowledge. Showcase your certifications and educational achievements related to SEO in your profile. Use the LinkedIn search feature to find potential clients or job opportunities in the SEO sector. Reach out to these connections with tailored messages expressing your interest. Regularly update your profile with new skills, projects, and achievements in SEO. Analyze the performance of your posts using LinkedIn's analytics tools. Adjust your content strategy based on engagement metrics to improve your visibility. Maintain a consistent posting schedule to keep your network engaged. Utilize LinkedIn's publishing platform to share in-depth articles on SEO strategies. Monitor industry conversations to stay abreast of the latest SEO developments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.